Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files on this device, like from any other Android device to other Android device, from iPhone to Android, from iPhone to iPhone, as you please. All you need to do is to just download this app Sent Anywhere from the Play Store. In the case of Android, in the case of iPhone, you just have to download it from the App Store. So open this app on both devices. When you open it for the first time, you have to accept terms of service and privacy policy, then grant all the accesses it requires here. And then, if you want to receive files, go to the receive section. If you want to send files, go to the send. So you can send photos, videos, contacts, files. Maybe I make it a bit lower. Oh, now you can see that you can send photos, videos, contacts, files. So let's, for example, send some photo. Then tap send. So to receive this photo, you just have to enter this 6-digit code. You can share link, open link, and get this file, or you can just grant access to the camera. Then go to this barcode here and get this file like this. And as you can see, image is here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.